Hey guys, today let's learn how to enable ChatGPT voice chat on your iPhone. So if you guys would like to go ahead and basically enable the ChatGPT voice chat, if you still don't have that feature on your ChatGPT applications just yet, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first in order for us to accomplish this is to go ahead and launch the ChatGPT application. Now by default, you will have the voice assistant or voice chat right here represented by this headphone icon. But if you can't see that, you also need to go ahead and double check if you are already using the latest version of ChatGPT. So go ahead and launch the app stores, and I want you to go ahead and search for the ChatGPT applications and go ahead and check as well if you have the newest update available. Now if you see this and it has an update available, I would like you to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are going to have the best user experience possible. So once that is done, we could also go ahead and also check as well if we are using or actually have this feature enabled on the application. So go ahead and launch ChatGPT. By default as well, it is automatically going to be turned on, but if it isn't, or you want to go ahead and actually activate this, we could go ahead and try to locate it over on its settings. So tap on your three dots right there, and then we could actually go ahead and make sure that we have already set the specific voice of our voice assistant and also chosen our main language. But you could also go ahead and set it to auto detect if you would like to do so. But in this case, I think my main language would be English, or auto detect would be my first choice since I also use other languages as well. Basically, that's all for this video. That's how you guys could enable the voice assistant or voice chat on ChatGPT on your iPhone devices. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.